What are you looking for in an apartment? Well, look no further. Welcome to Skyloft Austin. This is an immersive 360 virtual reality experience, so look around and check out your new home. Skyloft Austin is a luxury West Campus high-rise student apartment. A short 3-minute walk from the University of Texas at Austin, Skyloft is perfect for students who want to live near UT, but among the clouds. The property was built with your needs in mind. The first floor features various amenities, such as indoor bike storage, a Luxor package locker system for easy delivery and pickup, a Starbucks coffee machine for your pre-class caffeine fix, and our Skybites Smart Market with fingerprint payment for on-the-go snacks. Grab your swimsuit and take a dip in the first rooftop pool in West Campus. Located on our 18th floor, Skyloft's pool features a large sun deck with million-dollar views of downtown Austin and the University of Texas at Austin. You and your friends can relax in our lounge chairs and enjoy the jumbo TV under the sun. It's hard to make excuses when a world-class workout facility with every machine you can think of is only steps away. Enjoy views of downtown Austin and stay active at our large fitness center equipped with treadmills, free weights, and exercise machines, you name it. If you have a hard time focusing in your apartment, Skyloft offers 9 private and group study areas for resident use. They are the perfect alternative to the crowded libraries on campus. We also offer a business center equipped with 2 Mac computers and free printing on the first floor. With available studios, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments, Skyloft is tailored to fit your unique lifestyle. Every fully furnished apartment home comes with a modern furniture package, a 50-inch TV, high-speed Wi-Fi, cable, and a washer and dryer in every unit. And we're pet-friendly. Kitchens are fully equipped with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops for when you're ready to get all Gordon Ramsay up in there. Or, let's be honest, reheat some delicious leftovers. You do you. We also offer valet trash services Sunday through Thursday and a compactor room on every floor to make keeping your unit clean, simple, and convenient. Your bedroom is your own personal oasis. Bedrooms come furnished with a bed, dresser, a desk, and chair. Everything a modern-day student needs to succeed. Here's your bathroom, aka your personal thinking room. Each bathroom includes a tub and subway tiled shower. If you have any questions or would like to take a tour, give us a call at 737-207-9400. Thanks for touring Skyloft Austin, your home in the sky. We can't wait to hear from you.